Today we are talking about bike problems. Let's get into it. Yeah, there's your pride and joy, your bike. It looks clean and brand new until you take a closer look at it and find some problems, but you ignore it and ride with joy and don't really care until you hear some idiotic sounds like this. Which brings us to our first problem in the list. It's not your bike which is the problem, but the cassette. It looks fine on sight, but don't ignore it. It's gonna be an issue at the long term in the future. If you take a closer look at it, yeah, it acts like a drunken idiot. By that thing, these guys go up and down. And by that, which the chain in the cassette move up and shifts to another cog. This can make you fall and break some bones. It brings us to the second one. No, we are not talking about the routers. It's the brake pads inside them. If you don't check them constantly, they might ruin your routers and cost you more at long run. Both of these pads are bad, but the pad in the right is better than the other. Now, let's take a closer look at them. One of the pads on the left took more damage than the right one, which is totally not good for us. It's the third one for now. We are talking about the gears up in front. If the chain adjusts the derailleur without you shifting it, as it in this video here, it makes noise. Mainly, it ruins your chain and front derailleur at the long run. Here's our final one, the rust. It's up there at the bars and down there at the seat post, which is cosmetically not appealing and can cause structural damages if you don't take care of them. But however, our bike looks good when we see them from a distance, and that's all we want for now. Look out for these problems and ride safe. Until next time, answer for everything AFE.